We do want to get out to our Meghan MacPherson. She has her shot back up here. She's the one who sent us that video that you saw at the top of the show showing the serious impacts of this wind that we are closely monitoring all morning long. We're monitoring those travel conditions. So Local 5's Meghan MacPherson is live over near Webster City with a look at how this is all impacting really much of Iowa. Meghan, what is it like out there right now?
Dana and Joseph, I cannot lie to you right now. I think this is the worst weather situation I have ever been in the 2.5 years that I have lived here in Iowa. Take a look behind me here. Right now, we are west of the Randall area. We are northwest of Story City. So we're in Hamilton County. And I'm going to have our photog, Brandon Wynn, pan over here and take a look. You see that blowing snow there? That's what's really causing the issue. We are seeing those ground blizzard conditions out here. And we actually were heading up to Webster City this morning, and we had to stop and come back. We had to pull off to the road here and stop here where we are right now because it was simply unsafe to drive. So if you are up in this area, maybe you live up in Webster City, maybe you live in Story City, really north of Ames, I would say a couple things. You probably do not want to travel this morning if you do not absolutely have to, at least not until 9 a.m. when that high wind warning has lifted. But also, the roads are very dangerous. So stay inside. Don't travel if you don't absolutely have to. We've actually already seen a couple people driving by on this road here, and we have seen some people pull off for safety concerns. But really, this wind has not let up in the hour that we've been here right now. So even if you pull over, you are still going to be having those conditions. So we'll check back in with you guys in just a little bit, but I think the bottom line for what I'm seeing out here is if you are north of Ames this morning, you probably do not want to travel. My eyes are watering, my face hurts. This is brutal, guys.
I mean, I'm pretty sure that image right there just shows you just how important it is to just try to stay out of this at all, if at all possible. Meghan, thank you.